Hello, truth seekers and human rights advocates. Before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening videos like this. Today, we explore a significant day on the global calendar, the World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations. Unveiling the truth about these violations is not only crucial for justice, but it also paves the way for accountability. So why is the World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations so important? Let's delve deeper. Human rights, as defined by the United Nations, are rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or any other status. They represent the basic standards without which people cannot live in dignity. Born out of the horrors of the Second World War, the concept of human rights has since been universally recognized and enshrined in international law. These rights include the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work and education, and many more. Yet despite their universal recognition, human rights violations are a common occurrence worldwide. These violations range from subtle forms of discrimination to severe instances of torture and even genocide. The challenge lies not just in recognizing these rights, but in safeguarding them, in ensuring they are not just words on paper, but a living reality for all. But how can we tackle these violations? The answer lies in truth. Truth, in the context of human rights, is the full and accurate account of past violations. Now, why is this important? Truth plays a pivotal role in making sense of the injustices that have occurred. It's like the first piece of a puzzle. Without it, the entire picture remains incomplete. When we grasp the full truth about a violation, we can begin to address it. Truth leads to justice, like a beacon in the dark guiding a lost sailor. It paves the way for accountability, holding those responsible for their actions. It's like the gavel in a courtroom, bringing finality and closure to a case. But the power of truth doesn't stop there. Truth also serves as a deterrent, a reminder of the consequences of violating human rights. It's a tool for prevention, making the world think twice before repeating past mistakes. Truth is the first step towards justice, and that's where the World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations comes in. The World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations is a day dedicated to remembering and seeking the truth about past human rights violations. This day is marked on the 24th of March each year, serving as a solemn reminder of the atrocities that have occurred and a beacon of hope for a future where such violations become a thing of the past. Its purpose is twofold. First, it pays tribute to the victims of human rights violations, acknowledging their suffering and their strength. Second, it seeks to expose the truth, to shine a light on the actions and policies that led to these violations. This day is observed globally, with events, discussions, and campaigns dedicated to the cause of truth and justice. Participation in the World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations is a powerful way to contribute to the larger human rights movement. By seeking the truth, we are not only honoring the victims of human rights violations, but also taking a stand against future violations. So, to wrap things up, we've explored the crucial role truth plays in addressing human rights violations and the significance of the World Day for Truth concerning human rights violations. It's a day to remember, to learn, and to act. It urges us to seek the truth, to demand justice, and not to shy away from standing up for our rights and those of others. Remember, every one of us has a role to play in promoting and protecting human rights. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.